You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that comes directly from French, so I'm well positioned to give you the correct pronunciation and how it's pronounced in English. It's been borrowed from French. Soigne is the French pronunciation. Well, that's more the English pronunciation, by the way. Soigne. The French pronunciation is as soigné, meaning elegant or well-groomed, very well designed. Soigné, basically it comes from the French word for made with care, essentially is what it means, made with a lot of attention to detail. Soigner from French, soigner. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.